Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we're going to see 25 pairs of basic and advanced English sentences across various topics. So here are the 25 pairs of basic and advanced English sentences across various topics. Daily activities. Number 1, basic. I wake up early. Advanced. I rise with the dawn, eager to embrace the new day. 2. Basic. I eat lunch. Advanced. I savor a delightful lunch, relishing each bite as a moment of respite. 3. Basic. I go to bed. Advanced. I retire for the night, seeking solace in the embrace of my blankets. Weather. 4. Basic. It's hot outside. Advanced. The sun blazes overhead, casting an oppressive heat that envelops the day. 5. Basic. It's snowing. Advanced. Flakes of snow gently descend from the heavens, blanketing the landscape in white. Feelings. Number 6. Basic. I feel sad. Advanced. A profound sense of melancholy envelops me, casting a shadow over my thoughts. 7. Basic. I am excited. Advanced. A wave of exhilaration surges through me as I anticipate what's to come. Traveling. Basic. I go to the mountains. Advanced. I embark on journey to the mountains, down by the majestic peaks and tranquil beauty. 9. Basic. I like to explore new places. Advanced. I relish the thrill of discovering uncharted territories, each adventure a new chapter in my life. Learning. Basic. I read books. Advanced. I immerse myself in literature, allowing the words to transport me to different worlds. 11. Basic. I study math. Advanced. I engage in the complexities of mathematics, unraveling its intricate puzzles. Hobbies. 12. Basic. I enjoy playing music. Advanced. I find immense joy in playing music, as it follows me to express my innermost feelings. 13. Basic. I like gardening. Advanced. I take great pleasure in tending to my garden, nurturing life and cultivating beauty. Friends. 14. Basic. I meet my friends. Advanced. I relish the moments spent with my friends, sharing laughter and forgiving unforgettable moments. In basic, we talk a lot. Advanced, we engage in profound conversations, delving into topics that engage our passions. Food. 16. Basic. I like chocolate. Advanced. I have an enduring love for rich, velvety chocolate that transcends my taste buds. 17. Basic. I cook dinner. Advanced. I take pleasure in preparing a sumptuous dinner, infusing it with creativity and flavor. Technology. 18. Basic. I use the internet. Advanced. I navigate the vast expanse of the internet, seeking knowledge and inspiration. 19. Basic. I play video games. Advanced. I immerse myself in the world of video games, where interactive narratives unfold at my fingertips. Nature. 20. Basic. I like flowers. Advanced. I am captivated by the delicate beauty of flowers, each petal a testament to nature's artistry. 21. Basic. I walk in the park. Advance, I stroll through the park, basking in the serene ambience and the symphony of nature. Next, family. 22 basic. I love my family. Advance, my family holds a cherished place in my heart, providing unwavering support and love. 23 basic. We celebrate holidays together. Advance, we gather to celebrate holidays, creating cherished traditions that strengthen our bond. Work. 24 basic. I got to work. Advance, I embark on my daily commute, ready to tackle the challenges that await me at work. 25 basic. I finish my task. Advance, I delightfully complete my tasks, ensuring each one meets my high standards. I hope the video was informative. If it was, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.